Oh my god. You can't bail, Rocco, because I can't catch you from, I can't pull you back from like halfway down. You can't bail.
Make sure for the holidays, hoverboard from electricsmartboard.com. You can get the normal one, you can get the Lamborghini one, for the picture right there. So, if you want to get one of these hoverboards for someone for Christmas, just go on electricsmartboard.com and use the discount code just Rocco, and they're $50 off. So make sure you guys go get brand new hoverboards for your family or your friends for Christmas. So yeah, let's get on today's vlog. Alright, welcome to the Season Holiday Party. Yeah, everything's here. I'm out of breath. And yeah,
bar time. Oh my god, look at you!
Don't encourage you. It's not
stylish.
Yeah, feel that. Yeah. Oh, that's nice.
Is that like a black or a navy blue there?
It's like a navy, I think.
It's like a purple blue.
Yeah.
Sharp.
Yeah. Is that good?
For the holiday party, right? That might be a bit fun. Sit back down. Ready? Everybody look, Rocco, Jonah. That's Rocco. But you know who Rocco is, Jamez. Wait, you're a goofball.
Where's Emma?
Emma's in there.
So, of course, you know, if you've been watching all the day's vlogs, I got a new electric dirt bike from actually the person that owns this, if you don't know, James. He gave me it for a like Christmas present, and I've been thrashing and slashing with it, so it's really fun.
Oh my gosh. You're. Oh. Jesus. Oh. Nice one. It was scary from down there when you said you wanted to do it up here. Oh my god. You can't bail, Rocco, because I can't catch you from, I can't pull you back from like halfway down. You can't bail. Can you get up or no? There's no way you can get that thing up here. Told you.
I'm gonna try to jump the boxes.
What? What? Are you crazy? You're psycho.
Psychopath?
Yes, you are. I'm closing my eyes. I ain't watching this, guys. So if the filming's like this, sorry. Or like that, I'm sorry. I'm closing my eyes. Jesus. Okay, I lied. I opened one eye. All you see is your little head. That's easy. Oh, hold on. This time I have to get the bike. Oh. Got it? Oh my gosh. I don't work out enough for this, people.
Ooh. Like, think I can make it? Like,
No. No. Oh. I'm surprised, you guys. I'm still surprised it hasn't broken yet. Jesus. Oh, oh, oh! Well, that's one way to stop.
It's dead.
Rocco. You're never gonna guess what I just found. A freaking cricket. There is a flippin' cricket right there. Looks scary when it's all zoomed in. It's like a big spider or something. The backstory on why we hate crickets so much is, for some reason, our whole house, and well, first it was just our garage, right? Wasn't it? Like, for some reason, our whole garage was just crickets everywhere, and we're like, okay, that's whatever. And then there's crickets everywhere. In my room, going up Emma's sink, some in Rocco's room, some in Holly's room, coming up the vents. We have a house infested of crickets, and we don't know how to get rid of them. So if you guys could please help us, comment down below, how do you get rid of crickets without killing them? Because if you kill them, it's bad luck. And I hear Rocco over there, so I'm gonna go turn my camera that way. I didn't think you were gonna like jump the whole thing. I thought you were just gonna go down the ramp. Seriously? Really? No, again. Do it again. You're a dork. You really have problems.